Welcome to Kids Study Arena. A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for door, door. E for elephant, elephant. F for fish, fish. G for goat, goat. H for horse, horse. I for iguana, iguana. J for jeep, jeep. K for kangaroo, kangaroo. L for lion, lion. M for monkey, monkey. N for nest, nest. O for octopus, octopus. P for parrot, parrot. Q for queen, queen. R for rabbit, rabbit. S for snake, snake. T for tiger, tiger. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for vane, vane. W for whale, whale. X for X-ray, X-ray. Y for yak, yak. Z for zebra, zebra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.